I'm going to be upfront and say this isn't really a recipe. It's just two great ingredients put together in the woods. Of course, I could have made my own birria, but this is one of those cases where quality and convenience were well worth the price. Some little vegetables in there. Boop. I guess we'll just keep rotating it. Smells incredible. Oh, you know what? We should put the beef in there so it can get warming up. The fat is kind of congealed it together. It's like a pate. Come on. Oh my. It's like glued together. Ugh. That's how you know it's good. I think I might just have to break it apart. Let's try that. See if we get like a puck. There we go. Maybe we could put all of it in there. Why not? Ah! Too much, too much. Well, I'm definitely going to have leftovers. Look at all that. Of course, you have to have accessories. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to need jalapenos. Oh yeah, it's spicy. I am going to forego the hot sauce. Ugh, someone apparently wants to join me. Watch out, you're going to get squirted. Some onions. Yeah, we'll put some jalapenos in anyway, just for prettiness. And this ugly ramen egg I made. Let's see if I at least got it done correctly. Hey, that's not too bad. Put a little egg in there. What do you think, bud? Let's take a beauty shot. Not too shabby. Huh? Don't critique my chopstick style. I'm still getting the hang of it. Mm-hmm. Yes. That's that birria. That is slow stewed goat. Delicious. Check out my ramen egg. I finally got the yolk pretty much right. Some birds rooting around behind me. Ooh, way more efficient. Ooh, hot. Gotta cool off a piece for Gunther. Here you go. Just want to take a second and talk about this broth in here, because that is, it's like a consommé. It's the juices that the meats were stewing in and like reduced, and it's just silky and flavorful and just wow. Honestly, my first time ever experiencing birria, so yeah, I'm a fan. Yeah, I'm impressed. Man, stuff is good. It just clings to the noodles. Man, and I even watered it down a little bit because it was pretty thick. It's good stuff. Need a bib.